Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. And today we're going to be talking about how to manifest money within under a minute. We're going to be doing an exercise together. And I promise you, after this video, you will manifest the amount of money that you want. Now, before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things the law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I also just launched my brand new course, Finally Financially Free, where we talk about how to manifest money in the quickest way possible. I give you the blueprint that has worked for me in various chapters of my life, from manifesting financial freedom while I was working a 9 to 5 to manifesting stability in my business when things were looking up and down, to when my business was recently plummeting and going down lower than 10K. And within 2 weeks, I manifested 30K plus months in my business. I used this specific blueprint. I give you chronological advice and steps starting from money foundations for beginners to the practical steps of the best techniques, how to create a routine that works for you, that lasts, how to regulate your nervous system, specific tips on manifesting money, homework, 100 affirmations, 7 meditations. I'm constantly on your ass. I will take you there. This is a proven method. So stop trying to do this yourself, get some help, and invest in your financial future. Finally Financially Free is open for enrollment now. We close in 15 days. So I know that you're interested. Click the very first link in the description box down below, and let's get into manifesting you some money. One of the most popular questions I get asked is, Rita, what is the fastest manifestation technique? And I tell them all the time, quantum leaping. So today we are going to be doing an exercise where we quantum leap into the reality where you have a specific amount of money. And all it is you are stepping into that reality and deciding now that you have it right now, in this current moment, this date, this time, right now. It's already done. You are not in this reality anymore. You're going to be in a brand new reality where everything is the same except for the dollar amount in your bank account. So first of all, I want you to decide what specific amount you want. Do you want a lump sum of 10K in your bank account in under a minute? Do you want to see that Zelle or Cash App notification? Do you want to see that PayPal or Stripe notification? Do you want to get a notification that you won the lottery? Do you want a lump sum? Do you want to make $10,000 a month or $100,000 a month? For me, I'm manifesting an $100,000 launch for the first launch of Finally Financially Free. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So in this video, we're going to be snapping our fingers. I'm going to be counting from 3, 2, 1. And the second that I snap my fingers, you are going to step into the reality where you have the specific amount that you want. The most important point is when I click my fingers, you know into being that you are not in right now this reality anymore. You are in the reality where, again, everything stays the same except for your bank account looking different. You don't need to figure out the how, but just simply know that you just right now stepped into a brand new reality. And your reality, the one that we're going to be stepping in together, will have no choice but to conform instantly within under a minute. So look at the room around you, or if you're outside, look at the trees, look at the grass, look at the dogs walking around, look at the people walking around. Just observe where you are in this moment and acknowledge that you will not be in this reality anymore. The second that we snap our fingers together, we are going to be in the reality where we have our money. So I'm going to count down to 3. I'm going to say 1. I'm going to click my fingers. And as I click my fingers, I want you to click your fingers too. And you will know that it is already done. You're in the reality where you are making that amount of money, or you have that amount of money. Okay? So we're doing this right now. Are you ready? Do you want me to hold your hand? Here you go. Okay. All right, I'm holding your hand, all right? Okay. On the count of 3, 2, 1, all right? 3, 2, 1. We are now in the reality where we have our money. I have my 100K launch. You have your amount of money. It's that quick and it's that simple. You starting off this video, you are in a different reality and you're in a brand new one where everything is the same except your bank account looks different. Do you realize what you've just done? You quantum jumped into the reality where you have that amount of money. Really sit with that and feel it for a moment. How does that feel? It feels good. It feels so exciting. It feels relieving. It feels secure. It feels safe. It feels whole. It feels like, holy shit, I did it. It's here. It's mine. It's done now. I'm so excited for my life. I'm so excited that I can use this money for whatever I want. I'm totally fucking free right now. Doesn't that feel fucking amazing? By doing this, you simply selected a reality where you have that amount of money. Quantum physics tells us that every single parallel reality that can possibly exist is existing right now in this current moment. Your nervous system felt it. Your brain fired the exact neural patterns that it would have if the money landed in your account today, and it fucking did. Neuroscience calls this mental rehearsal. Elite athletes, top performers, and now manifestors are doing this to collapse time, to collapse the gap of where they are and where they want to be. Your reticular activating system, your internal search engine, has been handed a new instruction. Find evidence of this, find opportunities, find the path, and your subconscious mind, oh, it will. Whenever you feel like you're falling back into your old reality, come back to this video and quantum leap again with me. You're always welcome. In Finally Financially Free, we spend 10 modules doing exactly this, but with precision, with structure, with the specific beliefs, blocks, and rewiring work that turns a beautiful feeling into a consistent, compounding reality. We cover your money story, what you are telling about money, your energy around money, your relationship with receiving, your identity as a wealthy person, and we do it through the lens of law of assumption so that every single shift is permanent. The very first link in the description box down below is the link to enroll in Finally Financially Free. This will only be open for a limited amount of time. The next time, you've already done the hardest part. You've proved to yourself that you can feel it, and you've jumped into the reality where you are rich as fuck. Now let's make it inevitable. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it, and I know that you love me because I'm your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. And with that, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Enjoy your wealthy life.